I just got this 3 doodler kit and it is so neat. I've never seen anything like it before. So obviously inside the box, it has the instruction manual. Everything is really straightforward and it comes with all the little plastic pieces in all the different colors. And of course your actual machine to do your doodling. It is great because it is rechargeable, so it doesn't need any batteries. So, and you have this plastic sheet that you can do your doodles on, so it's easy to take off after, so it's not sticking. It says that you can still use it on paper, but this one seems to be the easiest so far. And the neat thing with this is that there's actually inside the book, there are different doodles that you could even like trace and try doing yourself, so it gives you some ideas. So all you have to do is take a color, and once you've turned it on, you push that through the back, and then the green light is on. So I had a red one in here before, so I feel like the red's gonna come out first before this blue, but let's see what happens. I'm just gonna try and write my name in cursive. We'll see how that goes. So it's just right now feeding. Oh, here it comes. All right. Oh, here we go. Okay, it took me a second there to get the hang of it. Oh, I'm pushing too hard. Okay, you got to, obviously, which totally makes sense. I had it like too close onto the plastic. And then when you're done, you just click it to stop it and it will stop. It's so cute. Okay, so please ignore my terrible handwriting, but that is meant to say Michelle. And then I believe you can just kind of like, oh, take it off. Oh, this is so cute. And then obviously like, okay, so I did it too thin, but of course, and this was my first try, you can do it a little bit thicker, but that's so cool. This is super fun. So it's saying that it is for ages 6 to 13. I'm definitely older than that, and I think it is really cool, and I think this makes a really great gift.